Hello students, welcome to Akadshala. Today we are going to practice two very important questions for class 10, chapter 1, chemical reaction and equations. But before starting today's session, it would be great if you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel Akadshala. This gives us a lot of motivation to keep creating these kind of videos for you all. So the first question says, a solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. Write the reaction of the substance X named in A above with water. Now you need to understand the language of the question. What is the demand in the question? Now see the language. A solution of substance X. So that means they are saying a solution of substance X. That means the substance X made the solution with what? With water. Yes or no? So that means then it made a solution of substance X. That is the X made with water forms a solution. So what we are going to do now? We are going to identify the substance X, and they have also given the indication is used for whitewashing, and we have studied also. They are saying name the substance X and write its formula. Yes, we have studied and we know it, that it is nothing but the substance X is what, bachche? That is CaO. That means we know the formula because they have asked the formula. Formula is CaO and they have asked you the name of the substance also. Then you will write in the bracket that is calcium oxide. So we will write what they are asking in the question. Done. After that they have asked in the B part that write the reaction of the substance X named in A above with water. That means whatever we have taken out the substance X, we need to react with water. So of course we will react it. CaO plus water, H2O gives you what? That is calcium. We will write down calcium hydroxide. Yes, calcium hydroxide. But if they ask one more thing in this question, if they add up, and you should know it also, that is if they ask you the common names of both the things, then what you will do? Of course, we know the common names also. So we will add up because we have the knowledge. Of course, why we will not write? Of course, this calcium oxide is known as quicklime. We know it. And they can ask you in the exam. So we should be ready with the answers. And this is known as slicklime. Finished. This question is finished. Am I clear, children? So this is very simple question. If you know it beforehand, what you have studied properly and thoroughly. Now this question is finished. If you write like this, you will get full marks. Now if I tell you the bifurcation of the marks according to the CBSE, which is really very important, children, this comprises of 2 marks. That means half plus half. And this will be 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So this comprises of 2 marks. Now one more thing I would like to say. You should always balance the equation whether they ask you or not. So let us see that it is balanced or not. Ca1, Ca1, 2 oxygen, yes, 2 oxygen, 2 hydrogen, yes, 2 hydrogen. Of course, it was balanced beforehand. So we don't have to bother about the balancing. So it's all done. So half plus half, that means half mark for CaO, half mark for calcium oxide makes 1 and 1 mark for equation. If it is balanced, then full-fledged 1 marks are yours. if you need to balance, and sometimes if you do not balance and you leave the equation as skeletal equation, half mark will be deducted because you did not balance. So this is the bifurcation of the marks of this question, which comprises of 2 marks. So please take care that step marking plays a vital role to grab the marks. Please take care. Dear students, this is for your information that registrations are open for chemistry coaching second batch for CBSE and ICSE class 9 and 10. Registration link is in the description box below, or you can scan the QR code from your phone or DM us at this number. And now let us continue. Now let us take the next question. The next question says, a substance X, which is an oxide of group 2 element, is used intensively in the cement industry. This element is present in bones also. On treatment with water, it forms a solution which turns red litmus blue. Identify X and also write the chemical reactions involved. So what they are asking actually in this? Oh my God! According to this question, again the answers are same, which I did it before. But what the examiner has done? The examiner has changed the language of the question. That means the examiner has complicated the language of the question to confuse the student. But if the student is knowing the basic about this reaction, which he or she has studied thoroughly, the child will not get confused at any cost. So what they are telling in the question? They have given 3 hints in the question. That means the hidden hints given in the question. The answer is hidden in the question. How? See, a substance X, which is an oxide of group 2 element. Now, that means they have taken the help of periodic table, over here modern periodic table, but you will study in the next chapter, that means the 5th chapter, periodic classification of elements. But what you will see in the periodic table just now, that group 2 element is nothing but the second group in the periodic table, which comprises of beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and so on. So this is the element which they are talking about, a substance X, which is an oxide of a group 2 element. That means it is coming under group 2 element. That means this is in group 2. This element is in group 2 and it is used intensively in cement industry. If you know this group 2 element, what they are talking about, so you will come to know which is this element. One more hint is given. If you are not able to cope up with the first hint, fine. Come to the second hint which is given. This element is present in bones also. Everybody knows, children, that in bones which element is present? Of course calcium, yeah. Of course calcium. So I have come to know that calcium is the element I have deducted according to the question. So on treatment with water, it forms a solution and which turns red litmus blue. So they have given a third hint also which turns red litmus blue. This you know it, acidic basic, everybody knows it. And then they have asked, identify X and also write the chemical reactions involved. So what they are actually telling? They are telling that the substance X which is there, it is also present in bones. Of course, if you were not able to do it from the first hint, of course, the second hint gives you a very big hint. So the X element is nothing but what? That is calcium. I have detected this in the question. Then they say on treatment with water, but not alone this calcium, my dear. They are saying a substance X which is an oxide. So what is it? Calcium I have detected, but I am also saying, they are saying a substance X which is an oxide. So that means oxide of calcium is what? Oxygen, that means we need. So in the rough, I will write it calcium, oxygen, +2, -2, crisscross, CaO. Why? because 2 gets cancelled and the final formula is CaO because they have given the indication, the hint, a substance X which is an oxide of group 2 element. So I have got this what? That is calcium oxide they are talking about. I've taken out. Now they are saying on treatment with water. That means the oxide which I have come to know, I will react with water and then I will get what, bache? That is calcium hydroxide. And they have asked you also identify X. I have identified X. And also write the chemical reactions involved. I have written the chemical reaction involved. Finished. So that means now you're seeing it. The answer remains the same of both the questions, but they have twisted the language of the question. But the student who is good enough will not get confused at any cost. Now, if it is of 2 marks, then how the bifurcation of marks takes place, children, over here? What they have asked, identify X. X means, that means straight away they will give you the marks, that is 1. And also write the chemical reactions, 1 mark. That means comprises of what? 2 marks. For this 1 mark of identify X, you have to do lot of work to identify X. Because you have to see oxide also, which is an oxide of, they have asked. So you have to manipulate. So you have to think about it. Ki what they are saying oxide of. So you will say, yes, oxide means something relation with oxygen. You will take out the formula, quote it and take out in the form of chemical equation. That's all, children. So now you have come to know that the same question can be written in different forms, taking the very complicated or twisted language, but you have seen also, but the answer remains the same. So this way, the CBSE puts up the question. So that is why, children, we always say, see the language of the question. The answer might be the same, but they can twist the language. So that is all for today. So please have a nice day and take care. Thank you, beta.